Today's recipe is about how to cook coconut tapioca pudding. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. Thank you. The ingredients are tapioca, sugar, coconut, and coconut water. I'll pour the tapioca into this bowl and add a lot of water. You must be wondering why this tapioca looks like this. This is what you get in most local Nigerian markets, and this is why I'm soaking it so that any sand in it will settle to the bottom and to also soften the tapioca. The next thing to do is to grate the coconut. With my grater and using this side, I would grate the coconut. Some people do not grate the coconut. They simply slice it into small bits. It's all about what you want and how you like to enjoy your tapioca. Well, now I'm done with grating the coconut, so it's time to cook. I'll pour some water into a pot. So the water quantity also depends on how thick you want your tapioca to be. Next, I'll add the coconut water, some sugar. In this case, I'll be using just 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use more, you can use less, you can use honey and other sweeteners. I'll also be adding the grated coconut. I'll stir it just briefly so that the sugar dissolves, and I'll add the softened or the soaked tapioca. So this tapioca pudding is going to have some soft lumps. That's the way I like it. But if you want your tapioca to be smooth, all you need to do is put it in a blender or a food processor and blend it briefly, and you get what you want. I'll stir it so that it mixes well, and I'll cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, after 25 minutes, this is what my tapioca looks like. In fact, tapioca is ready. Coconut tapioca is ready, and I'm going to be showing you how I like to enjoy my tapioca. Don't worry, just make sure you watch this video to the end, and you might actually like it if you try it. So now I'm serving my tapioca. If you look at it, you would notice the small lumps. The lumps are soft, and that is how I like to enjoy it. You'll also see the grated coconut. Super delicious. You have to try this. Honestly, you have to try this. So this is how I enjoy my tapioca. This is the plain version, or I enjoy it with roasted coconut. Isn't this just nice? Thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe.